Let me show you how to make your TikTok following list private. Now, if you're on TikTok and you didn't want anyone else to know who you are following, all you need to do is toggle on a button in the settings. I'll show you how to do it. So, of course, just open up the TikTok app here. It works the exact same on an iPhone or an Android. From here, let's get to your settings by tapping on Profile at the bottom right. And then at the top right, those three lines. Now from here, let's just tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, unlike Instagram or Facebook, you can set the following list completely private in the settings. One way to do it is just to tap on Privacy and toggle on Private Account, and anyone that doesn't follow you will not be able to see that. However, let's choose an option where even if somebody follows you and you have a public account, they can't see that. So still within the privacy section, let's scroll down to the following list, tap on that, and it says who can see your following list. Instead of everyone, I can switch it to only you. It does say if you select only you, others will be able to see mutual friends. So in this case, it will only show mutual friends, but none of your other following. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.